Hi, this is my YouTube blog. I am going to shortly describe about Shyambhunath temple. It is one of the religious place in Nepal. Shyambhunath stupa is also known as monkey temple as well. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and holy place for both Buddhists and Hindus. It is located on a top hill in Kathmandu Valley, west of Kathmandu city. Due to its hilltop location, Shyambhunath offers a breathtaking view of Kathmandu city and the surrounding of Kathmandu Valley too. It is one of the Nepal's rich cultural heritage. According to legend, the Kathmandu Valley was once a lake and the hill where Shyambhunath stand rose for the waters. This stupa has a massive white dome with a golden spire topped by a canopy. The all-seeing eyes of Buddha painted on all four sides symbolize wisdom and awareness. The spire consists of 13 golden tires representing the 13 stages of spiritual enlightenment. Due to the oldest religious place, many people visit over here. Many tourists are attracted in this stupa. Both national and international tourists do visit over here. Enjoy watching this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe this channel. Thank you.